Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 CFMoto CForce 500S. This 4x4 ATV just arrived, only 155 miles on the odometer. Automatic transmission, electric start, fuel injection, four-wheel independent suspension. It's got front and rear racks, automotive paint, and some beautiful alloy rims. It's also equipped with a front winch, standard. This thing is in beautiful shape. Come on by and make your 4x4 ATV dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.